Hey there, today I'm gonna show you how to take your chart game to the next level using the Essential Blocks fancy charts. Whether you wanna present bar charts, line graphs or pie charts, Essential Blocks has got you covered. Let's dive in. Before you start, make sure that you have both the free and pro version of Essential Blocks installed and activated. Once done, you can go ahead and add the fancy charts block to your page using the Gutenberg editor. You'll be greeted with a sample chart which can be customized to suit your needs. You can choose the data source you prefer. If you select CSV as the data source, then upload the CSV file. For static data sources, start by selecting the type of chart you want to use. You can either choose horizontal or stacked columns as needed. Configure additional settings. Add chart title, description, label, etc. If you want to let your visitors download the chart as SVG, PNG or CSV, you can enable the toolbar feature. You can add, delete or rearrange the chart categories. Change the chart values as preferred. Similarly, you can also add datasets, delete and rearrange them if needed. Change the dataset name, color, information, etc. as required. You also can tinker with the animation speed and delay if you desire. Let's dive deeper into the Style section now. Here, you can tweak the chart height as well as the outlook of the title and description. You can also play around with how the legends and data labels look in this section. Once you are happy with the setup, simply hit publish and let your visitors enjoy the fancy new charts on your WordPress site. Was this video helpful? For more handy tutorials like this, subscribe and keep an eye out for our latest videos. Have a great day!